Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to quickly delete a home screen page on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or any other iPhone which is running with the latest iOS 26 software. So let's get started. Now, the first thing which you need to do is to press and hold in an empty area to enter into the jiggle mode. And once you are in the jiggle mode, just tap on this icon here, the one that shows different pages. Tap on it and that's going to show you all the home screen pages. So what you need to do is tap on one of the home screen page, or rather tap on check mark below the home screen page you wanted to delete. For instance, if I wanted to delete this one, this last one, just tap on the check mark below it to uncheck it, and then you should see the option with a minus sign up here. Tap on that and then it's going to ask you, do you want to remove this page? Tap on remove and that page is going to be removed. So now you can tap on done in the top right corner, and that means that the home screen page is removed. It's simple as that. And that basically the method through which you can delete any home screen page on your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.